to my channel. If you're new here, give me a big thumbs up. Go to my channel, watch new videos. And if you're wondering why I'm holding pom-poms, I'm doing cheer and gymnastics today. I'm going to show you some of my routines, and I like to do this at home. So see you in a little bit. Bye. Hi guys, so first we're going to be doing gymnastics. Let's get to it. Right now I'm about to do a random. So we're first going to go right here, and then we're going to run. You gotta go. But this is a real random. I just did a cartwheel and a backflip. So you're gonna go boom. Together. A trophy. You want to make sure your hands are like right here. 1, 2, 3. Next move, we're gonna do a cartwheel. So you're gonna start going right here, and practicing doing a handstand. And that's how you get yourself to do a cartwheel. Then when you got that part all figured out, you're gonna go more and flip over. Do it fast. 1, 2, 3. Now you're gonna practice doing like one hand cartwheel. And now we're gonna try doing a back bend. So a back bend is very easy. Or you can do it doing backwards and do it. Let me show you. Now we're gonna do like a floor routine. Well, first we're gonna do some jumps. So in gymnastics and cheerleading, they both do toe touches. It's kind of the same thing. You gotta stretch for this move if you wanna go like, it's very easy. Or if you stretch a lot. So you gotta go 1, so 1, 2, 3. You always wanna stretch. Gonna go right here. So, this is my routine. I've been doing this for the past few days. So, it goes like So now we're gonna do cheer. This is a warm out for cheer. So you're gonna practice doing 1, 2, 3. You're gonna do that 3 times, and this 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The reason why you do that is like this stretching, and so like you won't get hurt if you're doing a flip, do jumps or anything, so you won't get hurt. So now I'm going to show you some cheers of my people. So we're going to go red, white, red, white, red, and white. And then we're going to do this without the pom-poms. We're going to go, go, G-O, G-O, go, go, let's go. Go, go, G-O, G-O, go, go, let's go. Go, go, G-O, G-O, go, go, let's go. So you're gonna do it 3 times. Go, go, G-O-G-O. Go, go, let's go. 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 Show you one that I like to do. This is mine. So we go boom, boom, boom. We're gonna go only together. Then go up. Then you're gonna go down. And then you're gonna back up and go across. Come back, pick it up. So now we're gonna do it super fast. Okay. 1, 2, 3. So this is the jump you can do. It's called a toe touch. And this one also go like that, a herky. This is something I know how to do. This is something you can do at the end of cheer. Jumps! Or you can go, let's go team. So first you're gonna step out 1 foot, then you're gonna go like that. So 1, 2, 3. That's called showman spirit. Let's see how much flips I can do in one time. 1, 2, 3. Ow, let me have a break. I'm busy. My favorite cheerleader is my mom. Yes, she was a cheerleader when she was a teenager in high school. And my favorite one from gymnastics is Simone Biles. Wait a second. I got this. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please give me thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, see new videos. And if you're wondering what grade I am, I'm in 2nd grade. If you didn't watch my school video, bye! I love subscribe. Thank you all for watching. LianaJ. Thank you for watching. LianaJ. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. We need you on the team, so please subscribe. Let's go, LianaJ.